Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Smart English Podcast. I'm Mia, your host, and I am so excited to be here with you today, ready to learn some new English and talk about something really interesting. How are you doing, Alex?
Hi, Mia. I'm doing great, thank you. So happy to be here too and chat with all our wonderful listeners. I'm really looking forward to today's topic. It's something we all use almost every day, right?
Absolutely, Alex. Today, we're going to talk about social media. Yes, that's right. Things like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and many more. We'll talk about what we like, what we don't like, and how it helps us, or maybe sometimes how it makes things a little difficult. We want to make it easy to understand for all our beginner English learners, so don't worry if you don't know all the words yet. We'll explain everything simply. So Alex, let's jump right in. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear social media?
When I hear social media, I immediately think about connecting with people. Seeing what my friends are doing, even if they live far away. It's like a big photo album and news channel mixed together, but it's global. I remember when I first started using it many years ago, it was mostly about sending messages. Now it's so much more. I can see short videos, long videos, read news, find new recipes, learn new things, or just enjoy funny animal clips. It's really changed how we interact, don't you think?
Oh, absolutely, Alex. It's truly amazing how it has connected the world. For me, the first thing is definitely seeing pictures and short videos from my family and friends. It's so nice to know what everyone is up to, even if we can't meet often. My aunt, for example, lives in a different country, but I see her garden photos and her cooking videos all the time on her profile. It makes me feel closer to her, even though we are far apart. Do you have a favorite social media app, Alex, and why do you like it?
That's a good question, Mia. I think my favorite is probably YouTube. I use it a lot, not just for fun, but also for learning. If I want to fix something in my house, I search for a how-to video there. If I want to learn a new language, like English, of course, I can find many lessons and helpful channels there, just like our Smart English podcast. It's an incredible resource. And sometimes, after a long day, I just enjoy watching some travel vlogs or cooking shows. It's very versatile. What about you, Mia? Do you have one you like best?
Oh, for me, it's Instagram, I think. I love looking at beautiful photos and short, inspiring videos. I follow many artists and photographers, and their work is just amazing. It's a very visual platform, and I enjoy that. I also like sharing my own photos from time to time, maybe from a nice walk in the park or a new coffee shop I visited. It's fun to see comments from friends. But, social media isn't always perfect, right? What do you think is a challenge or a not so good thing about it?
That's a really important point, Mia. While it has many good sides, there are definitely challenges. One big one for me is how much time it can take. Sometimes I find myself just scrolling and scrolling, and then I realize an hour has passed. It can be a little bit addictive, Another thing is seeing too many perfect lives. Everyone posts their best moments, their best pictures, and sometimes it can make you feel like your life is not as good. It's important to remember that it's just a small part of someone's life, usually the best part, not the everyday reality. It's not always real life, right?
Exactly, Alex. That's so true. It's like looking at a highlight reel, not the whole movie. I also sometimes worry about privacy. We share so much information online, and it's hard to know who sees it. So it's important to be careful about what we post and share. But on the whole, I think social media is a powerful tool. We just need to use it wisely and find a good balance. It really helps us connect and learn. Like just yesterday, I saw a beautiful nature video from a national park I didn't know about, and now I want to visit it. It opens up the world.
It really does, Mia, and it also helps people find common interests. You can join groups about specific hobbies like cooking or hiking and meet new people who like the same things. It's a great way to build communities online. But remember, always try to balance your online time with real-life activities. Go outside, meet friends in person, read a book. Both are important.
Great advice, Alex. It's all about balance. Now, before we finish this episode, let's learn some useful new words and phrases related to social media. These are words you'll hear and use a lot.
Yes, absolutely. Let's start with our first word, feed. Your feed is the stream of photos, videos, and posts that you see when you open a social media app. For example, I scroll through my feed every morning to see what my friends are doing.
Good one. Next, we have post. A post is a photo, video, or text that someone shares on social media. For example, did you see Alex's new post about his holiday? It looked amazing.
That's a useful one. And then we have scroll. To scroll means to move up or down on your screen to see more content. So, I spent too much time scrolling through my phone last night. This is what I was talking about earlier.
Haha, yes, we all do that sometimes. And finally, let's learn connect with. To connect with someone means to talk to them or be in contact with them, often online. For example, social media helps me connect with my family who live far away. These are super useful words for talking about this topic.
They really are. So, to recap, social media is great for connecting, learning, and sharing, but it's important to use it wisely. Manage your time, and remember that not everything online is real life.
That's a perfect summary, Alex. Thank you everyone for listening to the Smart English podcast today. We hope you learned some new English words and had fun talking about social media with us. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your favorite social media app or a new word you learned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and fun English lessons.
Yes, your support helps us make more great content for you. See you next time and keep practicing your English.
Bye everyone. Stay smart with English.